Pakistan, enlisted by China as a catspaw, constitutes an integral part of the latter's foreign and security policies. With growing commonality of weaponry between the PLA and the three PAK armed forces, the Pakistan Army, Navy, Air Force are almost totally armed by the Chinese, which has two advantages. One is that it strengthens Pakistan. It also makes it easy for China to call upon Pakistan whenever required, since the equipment is common. The deployment of PLA Navy submarines in the Indian Ocean that commenced in 2013-14 was a clear indication that China seeks to not only gain strategic superiority across the Himalayas, but also to establish maritime dominance in the Indian Ocean. With the Pakistani port of Gwadar as a logistics base and perhaps even an operational hub. Under these circumstances, India needs to look seawards and leverage its maritime advantage to evolve countervailing strengths.
वॉरशिप आणि सबमरीनाचे निर्मिती DRDO फाटी पडल्या. ते खातीर भारतीय नौदळ हिंद महासागरात बाकीचे वजनदार देशांपरस खंय फाटी पडला.
Today, our lethargic DRDO and defense production complex represent an Achilles heel that would constitute a major handicap in war. The armed forces remain abjectly dependent on external sources for weapon systems as well as many items of arms and ammunition. Even if the Make in India campaign actually takes off, it will take many years to show results.
फुडल्या काळात निसर्गिक साधनांचो उणाव जातलो आणि मनशाक सागरी संपत्तीचेर निंबून जगचें पडटलें असो विशय हेच कार्यावळीत नेव्हीचे आदले चीफ एडमिरल सुरेश मेहतान काडलो.
And in the years to come, there is every possibility that ocean-based resources that were once thought of as impossible to access may become commercially viable to exploit. So the next big gold rush may well be in the oceans, and for that we must be prepared. Prepared in terms of technologies and wherewithal to exploit them, and prepared in terms of capability to protect them. Thus history has come a full circle from the days of ancient Indian mariners and the great seafaring traditions. We now again look at the oceans to fulfill our destiny as a great nation.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास चारी.